Hello, I'm here with Kevin D., founder of EVERGOODS and design director.
And I am here with Taylor Welden, the creative director at Carryology. We want to walk through the new collaboration between EVERGOODS and Carryology.
Our fifth one.
Fifth one, congratulations.
Congratulations.
It's the Kludde. This is our version, our collab version of our NPL 22. This is available. This is the gravel gray colorway that we're going to look at today.
We also have a black colorway.
Black Magic.
Really great. And we also have an Arctic Kludde.
Arctic.
This is very limited.
Yeah.
So this being our fifth collab together, we did the Phoenix 1 and 2, and then we did the Griffin 1 and 2. And, I personally really love the Griffin. I love the Phoenix too, but I really love the Griffin, the wax canvas. However, wax canvas is heavy. You can't get around it. It's been around for hundreds of years. Looks great, patina's really nicely. And one thing we wanted to do is kind of the exact opposite of that. So we're going to make a lightweight collection, hence the Ultra. Super strong, super durable, super light. And with this, we wanted to look at, what products should we do next? And, CPL 24, fantastic product. It's your flagship. It's the one you launched with. But we couldn't do another one of those. So we went to your mountain collection. Thought that was a really cool basis to, create a new collab off of.
NPL 22.
NPL 22. And, the original NPL 22 is designed for mountain use. So we wanted to take that idea and kind of tweak it. We redid some pocketing together. We did some EDC features and specs on this that are unique to this collab only. And that was kind of the idea, is bringing it like a mountain type pack and then refining it and adding some urban features that you could travel with, walk around the city with, use this as an office bag or a great travel bag, or it'll still go to the mountains and perform really well.
Yeah, super fun. Nice work. Yeah, nice to work with you on this.
Yeah, you killed it.
We're just going to walk through the features of this product and highlight things that are special about this collection. As I said, this is kind of the basic EVERGOODS NPL 22 chassis. Let's just walk through the pocketing on the exterior of the bag. First, up top, we've got a nice lid pocket. This is great up high for fragile or smaller items. We've got glasses in here. Anything you want to keep up high and accessible on top.
It's kind of your quick access pocket.
Quick access pocket.
Need it.
On the front of the bag, on the original NPL 22, we've got a horizontal zipper. For this collection, we changed it to vertical. This zipper is a vertical zipper now, so it opens from the side. It still has volume, just like the NPL 22 pocket, so it's great for stashing a hat or gloves. But in addition, to make it more city-friendly, we put a bunch of drop-in kind of admin slots on the inside. So this is a great place to keep your phone. There's a pen slot in here. And a little zippered pocket, which we do on the interior admin pockets of a lot of our products. So this is one of the updates for the Kludde collection. Okay.
Now these next two, these are some of my favorite pockets on this bag, this whole collection actually.
Everybody loves these side stretch pockets. They're totally useful, totally great pockets. What else did we do in here?
I call these whiskey bottle pockets, by the way. People call them water bottle pockets. I call them whiskey bottle pockets.
Nice. Is that sized for Jim Beam or what?
It's a little bit nicer than that.
Love it.
Oh.
This is the Ultra Stretch from Challenge, which we'll talk about at the end, but super premium stretch textile here. And then in addition, we put a little stash pocket just below the elastic line of each of these is a little zipper that has just a little stash pocket right
like
here.
This big? What you say, 3x4 or something like that?
Yeah, just for your small items, for your special carry.
And that's on both sides, which is really cool.
Yeah, you could put in there if you wanted to.
Good.
Cool. So yeah, symmetrical stretch bottle pockets. Elastic at the top. We got a little pleat so they can expand in the bottom. And we also do our little cutout so that dirt and debris can fall through. And then inside, secret little stash pockets on each side. And if you look real close, you can see special lining color inside those stash pockets. We did it just for you.
So I really like these little stash pockets for travel, like extra backup money, or maybe a little USB with pictures of your passport on the USB drive for like super backup, but like kind of just your little secret James Bond pocket.
Definitely. Let's stick with the pocketing. Let's just go inside the bag and take a look what's going on under the hood here. So again, same as our MPL 22 chassis. This has got a zipper that runs the entire length in a U shape around the bag. So you can just kind of open up the top to get a quick access in like that. You can also set this bag on its side and get into it like this. And of course, you can lay it down and open the entire zipper to open the whole panel for access to the entire load.
And while we're doing this, I just want to make a quick call out. I know we're still talking pocketing. You notice it's not orange. Look at that colored blue. It's beautiful.
Yeah, that's the blue flame.
Blue flame is what we're calling that.
Yeah, and I think it turned out gorgeous.
It's really nice.
Yeah. So we got a mesh pocket here, mesh so you can see what's in it. Up above that is another just sort of security pocket. I've got a USB drive in there now. Doesn't have my passport photos on it.
That's fine. Too easy to find.
Too easy. So that's what's going on in the panel. Inside the main cavity here, we've upgraded the laptop carry here. So it's padded and suspended off the deck. So when you set your bag down, your device does not hit the ground. So there's a band of stretch that keeps everything secure, and that's sized to fit a tablet. And then behind that is the main laptop sleeve. This is a 16-inch MacBook Pro. So again, the mountain bag upgraded or updated for city use.
And I love that this is 16-inch too, because I mean, it's the form factor of this bag is so like svelte and kind of sexy, if you will. I was worried that we wouldn't be able to fit a 16 in here, but we actually can, and it's a really nice feature.
It's a patterning wizardry that we do here at EVERGOODS. And then in homage to MPL 22, we still have a little hanger up here for your hydration port or for your hydration bladder if you were going to use this outdoors. And the hydration ports just pass through here over the shoulders. So it's still hydration compatible, even though we've updated it for laptop.
And the hydration pass-through is waterproof. Like the water isn't going to be coming in any sort of pocketing or in a hole or anything like that.
Right, it points down. Let's pick this thing up and talk about handles and shoulder straps, if you would, sir.
Absolutely.
So this has the same ergonomic harness that you're used to from EVERGOODS. Wraps around the shoulders nicely, no extra buckles and straps to adjust. It's all in the patterning. This is also the area here where the hydration ports exit if you're gonna use this for mountain activities. We can see in the front, it has a sternum strap.
Might be hard to see with the beard.
Sorry. It's got a sternum strap and it is adjustable up and down. It's also, you can flip it to do either right-hand draw or left-hand draw, or it's removable if you don't like to use it.
And these are nice little buckles we're using here.
Yeah.
We tool. They're very strong buckles made out of CNC milled aluminum.
Yes, they are.
Milled.
Yeah, from WeTool. Those are the Vipers.
They're color matched to the zipper pullers as well, if I'm not mistaken.
That's right. All the metals, all the hardware on this bag that previously was plastic hardware, we've done aluminum hardware from WeTool. It's all anodized and matched to each colorway in the collection. So a really nice matching metal hardware set on this bag.
So one thing that we love to include in our collabs, and this is a great thing that EVERGOODS does this automatically, is these little built-in strap keepers. And what it is, it's a pretty simple but ingenious method. It's just a little piece of elastic, 25 mil elastic, stitched right into the webbing itself. So you just roll it over, and depending on where you want to end it, depending if you're tall or short or whatever. Sorry, I have a broken finger. But you just flip that over. Now you have nice, tidy little straps versus webbing kind of all over the place. And it's really easy to undo and then redo, depending on your height or what you're doing that day.
Yeah, this is a feature we've got on other products in certain applications, but we decided to add it for the main shoulder straps of this collection, which I think is a nice upgrade.
It's easier if you don't have a broken finger, I promise.
Sweet, it looks great. I'm gonna take it from you. As always, there's a top handle on top so you can handle it. And then on the sides we leave little gaps so that you can put carabiners, clip ID tags, or whatever you may need there. On the back panel, of course, features EVERGOODS breathable back panel. We've replaced the closed cell foam with a really thick spacer mesh that has high air permeability, and then covered the entire thing with a monofilament polyester so that it's smooth, comfortable on your back, will not abrade your sweaters or suits or clothing, and has really high airflow. For added abrasion resistance on the bottom here, there's an extra panel of shell fabric that's cut on the bias. This bias cutting increases abrasion resistance right along the edge where it's most prone to wear. So extra durability here. And then additionally, our bottom panels are bias cut as well for the same durability reasons. Throughout, the materials on this bag features ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene fiber, UHMP, also known by their trade names Dyneema, Spectra, Ultra. This is a incredibly strong fiber and that we've used throughout the collection.
Strongest strength to weight thing on earth, as far as I know.
Stronger than steel by weight.
By weight.
Yeah. So
Extremely durable too.
Yeah.
And abrasion resistant.
So we've worked this ultra fiber into the zipper pullers on this are 100% ultra high molecular weight PE in this cool woven pattern that kind of matches the face textiles. And these have been matched for each of the colorways. So zipper pullers, all the 10 millimeter webbing in the counter pullers, the sternum anchors, the key leash, etc. Those all have a little band of ultra fiber running through the weave just for that extra little hit and extra little strength.
Ultra stretch in the side pockets as
Yeah.
well. That's using the same UHWMP.
Same fiber. So this is from Challenge Sailcloth. This is their ultra stretch with ultra high molecular weight PE. The shell textile in this bag is
Ultra 200 TX.
Thank you very much.
Boom.
Yeah. This is so the face of it is just like a combination or woven together is the ultra fiber along with recycled polyester. So super durable face. Then behind this is a cross ply of more ultra fiber, which stabilizes it in the bias and gives it a higher tensile strength. And then the whole package is put together in the shell with this beautiful blue. And this is their Ultra TX 70.
There's the backside, nice laminated backside.
That's right. The Ultra TX 70 also has the cross ply of ultra fiber as well for just incredible strength. And then this whole package of the lining is laminated together with a Mylar film, which keeps it all together, makes it waterproof, makes it air impermeable.
What I like about this liner fabric, I like about this liner fabric is this liner fabric is actually suitable for an exterior of a hiking backpack, but we decided to use it on the interior. So no matter what on this bag, it's going to be durable everywhere. The exterior is incredibly durable and incredibly strong, but it's just fun that we use such a nice material just as a liner fabric.
Yeah.
But it could be an exterior.
Definitely premium and durability is definitely the key.
Lightweight and durable.
Yep. And then we're putting the whole package together with YKK RCPU zippers. This is YKK's luggage specific zipper, super durable, super abrasion resistant. And these are finished with a polyurethane lamination so that they're waterproof, weatherproof.
Highly weather resistant. As far as the aluminum hardware that we switched over with the weed tool, we have the little toggles here for the sternum strap. We have the buckles, of course. The other toggle strap. All the zippers are color matched to those same zipper sliders and pullers, color matched, as well as
we did the tension lock.
Beautiful stuff. Really, really nice color gray.
And we went ahead and did the key leash as well. So this is now an aluminum hook key leash in place of the plastic one that's in the normal collection. So
it's almost like a titanium colorway. It's really nice.
Yeah, I think this is really premium set that we've created. And thanks for working on it with us. It's been a lot of fun. How about the collection patch for this one?
This one's fun. So we have our mythological creature, the Kludde, on here. And this one is a really special patch in our opinion anyway. This is solid aluminum from Weed Tool, of course, and each one is color matched to its respective colorway. The gray will get a gray patch, black gets black. And then, of course, the Arctic Kludde gets a light gray kind of Arctic theme situation. Now, the logo or the design here is laser engraved on. We actually had the eyes of the Kludde laser cut out. And this is because of the Kludde, it's depicted as having fire, flame eyes. So I wanted to kind of have that show through. And some of the depictions are blue flames for the eyes. So what we did here is the backside is actually blue Velcro. And you can actually see it pretty cool through the light there. Put that on.
Oh yeah, dude. Nice.
But so we cut the eyes out of the aluminum and you can see through, and so, especially in certain lights, better than others, but you can see the blue Velcro coming through the eyes. It's really cool. And this was all put together and designed by our friend Paul Stoll at Odd Job. And he did this by hand. He applied this blue Velcro and created the design by hand up in San Francisco. And him and his team did killer job. They look perfect.
Thanks, Paul.
Yeah, thanks, Paul. Great work. But yeah, we love Paul. We love his stuff. It's super cool to work with him on the design and the manufacturing of these. And you know, in the 3 different colorways, the gray, the black, and the Arctic Kludde, look really cool. So the backpack and the sling will be getting these patches in the respective colorway. Hey, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Is it? Nice one too.